Did you know that truck drivers are usually not covered by no-fault insurance? By law, no-fault insurance is the type of auto insurance sold in New Jersey and New York, and it means that no matter who or what causes a car accident, your insurance company is responsible for your medical treatment bills. This type of insurance usually has limits when dealing strictly with car accident cases, wherein lawsuits can only be filed under very particular circumstances. However, that limit does not exist in truck accident cases, and thus you're allowed to sue for any injury as a result of that accident with no threshold. Although, like any other accident case, yours can still be complicated by multiple factors. An experienced lawyer will be able to look at your particular truck accident case and determine which injuries you'll be able to file suit for. The lawyers at Davis Saperstein & Solomon have over 35 years of experience dealing with truck accident cases, and we're here to get the justice you deserve. Call us at 201-444-4444 to set up a free consultation. We're here for you.